Khloe. Bless her heart. Bless her heart. Hello my darling Fumi Nation, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumidesaluvold and welcome to Fumi Nation Tribe. Yes my darlings, I woke up this morning to the news that our darling Khloe Kardashian is having yet another baby via surrogate with our wonderful Tristen. And I said to myself, girl, wow, 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 wow. You see, we women, we are fabulous. When we are determined to do something, nothing can shake us. God can come all the way down. He can sit down right beside us and have lunch and say, this is not a good idea. We will still do it. Now, it doesn't really matter, it truly doesn't matter, that she was having this surrogacy journey before our wonderful Tristen had an affair and had a baby on her. No, that's not the point. The point is, a couple of disasters ago, even having true with Tristen, it was not a true, reasonable decision. That you would go ahead and have another child with him. I see where you're going, Khloe. I see where you're going. She wanted to have her children by one daddy. But the thing is that the children have to have a father. That's what you're misunderstanding. Your mama had Kylie and Kendall after the fact. And aren't you guys as close as ever? In fact, dare I say, I have never ever heard you guys say, oh, she's my half-sister. It doesn't matter. Why? Because quiet as it's kept, True has a whole bunch of brothers and sisters. So her having a blood doesn't really make any difference. They're going to grow up. She might not even be close to the sibling that you're trying to make for her right now. She might be close to all the other siblings of the baby mamas. Because kids are kids. They love who they love. You know? Remember the other episode that I just had about your frenemy? And there were so many of you in the comments that were saying, that's my mama, that's my sister. Just because you're blood does not mean that you're close. No way. But I see where you're going, Khloe. Here's the thing. I don't think it occurred to you that as much as you would have these two children by Tristen, Tristen has to lead by example to these children you're having by him. And he's not a good example. That's the thing. I think that I am going to bow out very gracefully on all kinds of advice for you because you are determined to do what you want to do and you will have to live by your consequences. I have done, I think, 3-4 episodes about beautiful, wonderful Khloe, and in the last episode I told you, I said she's determined to have this other child by Tristen so that she can wrap it up. Khloe, you're not God and you don't know your future. You're still going to meet somebody else. You're going to fall in love with, and you're going to say, ooh, I think I want another baby. And all of this is not going to matter. Just like your big sister, Courtney. Courtney had 3 beautiful children. But here she is, married for the first time, trying via IVF to have another child. So here's the thing, you cannot really map out your future. You just kind of go with the flow and you go with what is legit in front of you, clear as day. Tristen has shown you that he really does not care about your shattered heart. He has thrown it into a blender. He has taken it to the farm. He's used a tractor and mowed over it, not once, twice, 3 times. Shoot, he's even gone backwards to make sure that the heart is completely destroyed. But you're resilient. You are. You are resilient. You said, no, I will trudge on. It's ironic to me because I'm like, wow, 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 wow. This damn near is worse than when you were with Lamar and you didn't have no kids by him. And I know you would have had a kid by Lamar. So what would you have done? Said, let me stick with Lamar with all of the drug experiences, going to all kinds of places. Would you have followed him there and said, you know what, just squeeze out that your sperm sample, let me take it? Because I can see that's what you're trying to do with Tristen. And I don't think you're even upset that Tristen is having other affairs. I think that you have just accepted him as a philandering, dishonest cheat, and you like it like that. I have to say to myself, there has to come a point for you when you say self-love is so important. Self-worth is so important. If I don't respect and love myself, nobody will. If I continue to behave like this, I'm taking you down a terrible, painful path. I have to come to terms, but I think those terms are not there for you yet. I have to also say congratulations. Are we having a boy? I wish you all the best, Khloe. Wish you all the best. I think that's what everybody wishes for you. But I think that you want to tell us, Fumi, mind your business. Everybody else, mind your business. It's all about me. It's me, Tristen and True. We got this. Shoot, we got a lot of money, a lot of nannies. This is what I want. And I have to respect it. I have to respect it. You're a full-grown adult, approaching 40. I guess that you think that this is what you want for now. And we just have to be there to support you, to love you guys, because I love the Kardashians. I love you girls. I think you guys are fabulous. I think that's why sometimes, you know, I'm like, what is she doing already? But I think that you've had this discussion. I think that you are past heartbreak. I think that you know that you will never have a relationship with Tristen in the old traditional way, where you have a man that loves you, respects you, adores you, pushes for you, that you will never have a wandering eye, that you truly will be a family of 4 that goes on vacations, you go on school meets, you do the school runs. I'm praying for that for you. But I think you know that you're not going to have that guy in Tristen. And I think it's good to have this conversation so that all the girls out there know that money does not buy happiness. You can have all the money in the world and still you're going to have to stand in line looking for love, because money does not buy love. Listen, let me tell you something. You could hold this glass. It's not a glass. Okay, it's a bottle. I've been drinking water like crazy. Do you see the flawlessness? I live, I love. Do we live? Do we love? How's your detox going? It's going well for me. Yeah, hanging in there. A lot of you are saying, what is the detox? It's a lot of water. It's a lot of veg. What do you eat in the mornings? Greek yogurt. That's a trick right there. The Greek yogurt really fills me up. Super filling, 0 fat. With my fruit, I'm good until like 12:1. Then I have a salad. I found out sweet potatoes, low in calorie. Avocados, also delish. Keeps the skin looking gorgeous. I'm 53. We are looking at age issues here. So I have that. Then I have my snacks. I always have like a banana. I have pita bread. But it seems like my stomach is adjusting, shrinking, so it's not so much. In the evenings, I have broccoli. I have soup. I have mushy peas. I have peas. I have boiled plantains. Delicious. And I'm good. Hungry again, I'll eat another salad. And I drink this water like crazy. That is it. That's my detox. And when I tell you I'm sweating it out in the gym, yes, I am. Back to Khloe. So let us see. Yeah, this is a glass, but it's fine. This is a bottle. Yeah. Right now, it's fine. I don't know whether you guys have heard this little proverb before. But anyway, the longer I hold this bottle, the more unbearable it will become. The weight of the water in it will not change. Not at all. But by this evening, if I'm still holding this, I'm going to have aches and pains all over my arm. In the bottle represents the stress. The longer you hold on to it, the quicker it becomes an absolute burden on your entire being. There will come a point where you'll have to let this bottle, as is, with the water in it, let it go. You have to let it go, because it's too much to carry. Translation. Khloe, you have been carrying Tristen for quite a while now. You've refused to let go. He's had babies on you. You've had a baby by him. You're having another baby by him. It's going to weigh you down until you, only you, knows when you'll have to put Tristen down. This is a lesson for all of you, my darling girls. It's a sister to sister. If the relationship becomes a burden, you gotta let it go. And I know how it is. You've let it go, then he sends you those messages. It even happened to me when I was younger. I miss you. Doesn't mean anything. Don't respond. I miss you. Do not respond. Oh my God, why for me? He reached out to me. No. He reached out to the temperature. He wants to see where you are at mentally and emotionally. Translation, does he need to make an extra effort? Or when he says, I miss you, and you respond, you're like, ah, she all right. She still loves me. That's what that is. Don't respond. Somebody that cares about you will step up to the game. But you have to die sometimes inside and resist from responding to this nonsense that they keep on doing to you. Because at the end of the day, a guy only does to you what you allow. You've got to understand that you're beautiful. Would you go into fire? No, you wouldn't. Would you put your hand under a sledgehammer? No, you would not. Would you walk in front of a car? No, you would not. You love yourself that much, but you don't love the inner you as much. It's very bizarre to me. No, 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 no. Sisters, we have to step it up. There has to be a matter of self-worth conversations. If I have to come to your schools, to your universities, to help you all out, yes, I will. Because you need to remove your distractions. Take yourself away from that shelf of distraction and put yourself front and center to all of your blessings, your possibilities, to your man, to the bigger, better you. You will be better off. Tristen is a hot mess. Bless his heart. Let us pray for them. Till next time, my darlings, take care of yourselves. Take care of your heart even more.